All right, if you have existing products in Stripe that you don't want to have to go through the hassle of creating them again, we have this really handy import from Stripe feature. So I'll give you a demo of what that looks like. So you want to create some products and you remember, oh, you know what? I think I have these products already created in Stripe with branding and pricing and all that stuff. So you're going to click import from Stripe. It's already going to bring in all of your products. You just drop this down, select the one you want to bring in. And then we also give you the ability at this point to create a setup fee for a particular product. In this case, I'm not going to do that, but you could if you wanted to. We're going to click import product and price. And you can see it's going to bring in all of the information from Stripe, including all of the branding, all of the pricing, creation date, so on and so forth. So if we go back to our products, you'll see now this is just added as a regular product, just like everything else, with all of the branding in place. And that is import from Stripe.